OMG. There's a literal new store called Fidget Store, so I'm gonna go there and check it out. I want to check out the app. Oh my goodness, it has so much really nice things. I'm gonna have to go there. I just gotta put on my makeup. Okay, let's see. What am I gonna wear? Definitely not these. I'll probably just wear this. Yeah, I'll wear this outfit. Put some perfume on, because I do stink. Hey sis, I'm gonna go get some really nice fidgets. Alright. Parents, I'ma go out. Okay. It shouldn't be that far from here. Let's see. Oh, I see it. OMG, this is so nice. I'm playing with my slime, by the way, so don't mind me. Oh my gosh, I need to get a basket. Hi, ma'am. Hi. OMG. 1 Needoh per person? What? Bruh, this is not fair. There's like nobody else in the store. I'm only in here, so I should probably get multiple and ask the cashier people. Get this popsicle, the diamond, probably a color changing Needoh. Yeah. Ooh, what else? They have the watermelon squishy. That is so big. OMG. This is so cool. Ooh. They have these really cool fidgets. Wow. Ooh, they have vending machines. This is so cool. They have Hello Kitty, and they have these random ones. I'm not sure. I got money. Oh my goodness. This is like so cool. I can't believe you could get money out of a vending machine. I'm gonna use all the balls. Well, yeah, I'm gonna buy all of them because they are free. Okay, well, I'm gonna throw all of them in the trash because I don't really like them. I'm gonna see what else you can get from Samuel. Nothing much. Okay, I'm just gonna throw these in the trash. Okay, let's see, what else? Okay, that should be fine. I'm gonna just set these up for the other kids if they want to play with them. I'm just so happy I could finally get squishies because like these are so hard to get. Especially in the Toca Boca Earth world. It's literally so hard. Okay, let's see. Anything else? Ooh, they have this nice poppet. Hi, can I please have 3 Needohs? Please, pretty please. Okay, fine, but only this one time. Yes! Okay, thank you. Get you a bag. So, yeah. Alright, let's see. I'll get these bags. They're really cute, so... I am so happy I was able to get these. Like, these are literally so hard to get, bruh. So, I can't wait to go home and show my sister. Here is that. Beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Don't mind the background noise. Beep, beep. Yeah. That would be $200, please. Alright, here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye. I cannot wait to go home and play with these. This is so fun. I'm trying to unlock the door and it won't open. Alright, it opened finally. Look, parents, look what I got. Cool. Oh my goodness. Sis, look how much stuff I got. Oh my, that's a lot. Oh my god, I can't wait to do fidget trading. Yeah, this would be so fun to do that. Okay, I'm gonna record a video of me showing them my squishies and everything. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you what I got from Learning Express. Okay, so I got this watermelon. It's really nice. Got this Pop-It, and yeah. I got this popsicle Needoh. This is what the bag looks like. This jewelry Needoh, this dimple, this color changing Needoh, Tangle. It's really nice. This really nice cloud squish, and this thing, and that's it. Bye guys. Posting the video. Alright, this is so nice. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I have no idea where to put it. It says come there. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. Oh my goodness, this slow rises. Oh my. Why is this actually really good? I know, right? Wow.